Hello guys, this is Hajra Vadhariya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hello, yes. So today we are doing a cotton candy halo eye, which is really fun, colorful, bright colors. I am really excited. We are done with our eyebrows and we're gonna start with our eyeshadow base. I love Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for eyeshadow base. I just love it so much. So I'm just gonna take a nice amount of it and put this on my lid, and using my favorite Sephora brush I'm gonna just buff this all in. So yes, let's quickly buff this. You're gonna make sure that it really blends in really well, and this is done. I'm now using the Lower Mercy setting powder to set my lids really well. Now it's time to use, so today we'll be using two palettes. One is this Morphe 35B palette and the other is the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is my favorite palette, guys. This is such a gorgeous palette. Look at this is amazing. So first of all, as always, we are going to start with the bronzer. This one is Note Cosmetics bronzer. This is 30 bronzing powder. I'm using a Morphe fluffy brush, taking a nice amount of bronzer, putting it in my crease. I'll be putting more in the crease for the depth and a little less in the transition area. And I'm just building my crease at the moment, and now going in the transition area and then on the nose contour side, and just blending the two things together so everything looks really flawless and gradient. So we're using 35B palette, starting with 35B, using this Morphe brush, and we will be taking this beautiful orangey peach color. I love this transition color. This is very soft and amazing to begin with. So yeah, usually if I do makeup, I don't really divide my steps a lot into smaller ones, but while filming for you guys, I do like to take small steps and go further. So I was just taking blending brush and just blending that and giving depth in my crease with the same shade. Now this is another Morphe brush, and we're going to take this is a tiny definer brush, and I'm taking this lilac color from the same palette and putting it in my crease and nicely blending it. So guys, as always, blending is the key. Make sure you take time and blend everything really well. Once we're done with that, I'm now gonna take like a buffing blending brush kind of from Morphe. First I'm gonna blend what I have on the edges of this lilac color, and then I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna use this beautiful yellowish mustard color, and we'll put it where the lilac ends, almost in the transition, I would say. Yeah, blending it really well. Amazing. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take this turquoise green color, and I'm gonna start to put this on my lid. We are gonna focus it more in the outer and the inner corners. I'm done with the outer one, just going in the inner corner. If you feel, you can take a smaller brush if you can't reach in the inner corner as well. Yeah, we'll be going a lot back and forth with colors and brushes again and again, as I usually do. I'm going to take this tiny blending brush from Morphe, and we are going to take this dark green color and just to define this green even further. Yeah, that's how it turned out. Now I'm taking this green color again and just going once again because I wanted more bright color. So now we're taking a blending brush, and I'm taking this pink color, such a great hot pink, dabbing off the excess. I'm taking very less amount in the first go. Please don't take a lot of product in a go, make sure you tap off the excess. Yeah, I'm doing that in front of the camera. Taking a more definer, a smaller blending brush, and taking that hot pink color again, just for more pigment. And you can see while blending it with the green, it's turning purple. So you see that green to purple to pink ombre effect, which I live for. Totally love it. Going back with that blending brush and blending the edges of the pink. Blending the edges. Going back with that turquoise color so that we can increase its pigment since it has faded a little bit. So yes, now I have taken the purple again, so the pink again, and now I'm gonna go with purple. Now I'm placing purple in the middle of the pink and the green area so that all the colors are really nice and bright. By the way guys, now I'm just blending. By the way guys, I have used a very light shade of the concealer for the eyeshadow base, especially for this look, because I wanted the bright colors to pop up really great. So you can see I am just going back with that turquoise color and building, then again with the purple, back and forth. And I'm using this MAC Fix Plus on this flat brush, spraying it nice amount on it, and then taking this shimmer turquoise color that you have in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh my god, how gorgeous this looks. So we're gonna put it in the center of our lids. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. I love it. So I'm just covering almost entire lid area, not just the center. It looks gorgeous, so beautiful. We're gonna keep this shimmer more in the center for sure. I love this color, and I'm taking this shimmer purple color. Firstly, I'm gonna take it with this blending brush so that I can place it lightly and see how it looks, and then if I like it, I can take a flat brush and like this, what I'm doing actually, taking the flat brush and placing the color well in like a nice amount of it. So you know, it looks gorgeous. I'm taking a blending brush and just blending the edges of these so everything looks really nice and blended and gradient. Sorry guys, I have a sore throat, so I sound really bad. Now taking the blending brush that we had, I'm not taking any product, just blending it because it already had some pink product, it's pink eyeshadow. Going back with that shimmer turquoise and building it up again. Guys, if you want more pigment, you can just use a concealer and cut the crease in the center, cut the lid from the center and put it. But I guess this shimmer shade is amazing. You don't need to do that. Just a little bit of Fix Plus or any good mist will work. But if you still want like more pop-up, you can go and do a concealer. So we have just taken the purple color and blended it again, going back with it. Now I went with this Maybelline glossy liner. This is an amazing shade, guys. This is really pretty. I love this liner. This is my favorite color, so I thought it would go really good with this look, so I went for it. I do like how it looks, but once I do the next step, which is putting the glitter liner, I was not too happy with the result. Actually, I'm using this Urban Decay glitter liner to put on top of the liner, on the upper edge, obviously on the wing and then the upper edge. But I didn't like how it turned out after the glitter. They were not complimenting the look, so you'll see I'll be changing the liner. I'll just take a normal black liner. I'm gonna trace that over the turquoise liner because I was not really happy with the look. So yes, So this is the balm schwing liner, and I'm just tracing. I'll trace this over the turquoise liner. We're just changing the liner. That's it. So yes, very carefully, taking my time and doing it. I'm planning to film a wing liner tutorial very soon for you guys. Once we'll be done with the liner, I'm gonna give final touches with the glitter liner. So you'll see me giving final touches with the glitter liner. Okay, so we have this favorite brush of mine. I'm gonna place that hot pink color we were using on the lower lash, and this is how I've done it. Yeah, and we are almost done with the look. I just went on, put some mascara. I have used a Gigi Hadid in the Note Cosmetics mascara. I went on with the Colossal Kajal by Maybelline on the upper waterline, and White Jumbo Pencil by NYX on the lower waterline. So this is gorgeous. The lashes are Scarlett, not the Huda Beauty Scarlett. They're Sweet Touch Scarletts. And I took this shimmer shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Going back with a turquoise color just to touch it up last, as I saw a few lines in there. I don't know why. So yeah, this is it. I love the look. This look is so gorgeous. Like, I love it. So do let me know, guys, how much you guys loved it, and do like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video for you guys. I love this color. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Isn't this pretty? I love it. Do let me know in the comments section. All the description about the products are mentioned in the description box, and do give a thumbs up. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys can be part of my glam family, and you guys get to notified every time I upload a new video. I love this look, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.